As soon as I step in the building, you know it's about that.
Hey, what's poppin', guys? It's your girl Nia Imani, and I am back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button right down below. Hit that post notification bell so you know when your girl is uploading, like duh. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. If you guys enjoy beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos, then this is the channel for you. As you guys can see from the title today, I am back with another Boxycharm unboxing. This month I am unboxing the May Base Box. Shout out to Boxycharm for gifting me these products. I really am so thankful for you guys. And enough of this chit chat, let's just, jump right into it, all right? Because I already know y'all trying to see the goods. Y'all trying to see the goods. Okay, so y'all already know this is how the box comes. Here we are. Let's open it. Don't want things to be falling out, but yeah, so y'all already know how this goes. I'm gonna read the card, let y'all know what's in there, the prices. The base box is $25. Majority of the time, the bulk of the products, the total is like more than $25. So it's a bang for your buck, honestly. So let's just start. Here we have the Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. If y'all been watching my videos lately, I've been talking about how dry my skin is on my face. So this is definitely something that I am going to start incorporating in my nighttime skincare routine for sure. It says detoxify and revitalize skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. This breakthrough formula contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthens skin barriers while you sleep. This product alone is $74. $74. And this whole entire box costs $25. So like, why not, being that I do like YouTube, Instagram, I'm always on my phone editing. I'm always on my computer editing. So the blue light I know is probably definitely affecting my skin. Ooh. I don't know how to explain the smell, but the smell smells like, it's not weird, like it's unscented, but it has like a scent that I smelled before. But honestly, you just pump this like that, boom, 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 and it comes out. Like I said, this is definitely something that I'm going to give a try. I'm definitely going to give this a try tonight. So yeah, that's product number one. Product number two is Beekman 1802 Dewy Eye Illuminating and Depuffing Eye Serum. So here it is. It comes in this. I love these like type of boxes, like the way they feel. So let's read it. Say goodbye to fatigue and awaken tired eyes with a highly concentrated, clinically proven eye serum. Y'all already know my eyes be looking tired, so this is definitely something I can't wait to try. A power blend of actives and goat milk quickly absorbs into skin for hydrating revitalization that illuminates eyes while helping to fight the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. The cost of this product is $42. $42. Once again, another product that costs more than this whole entire box. I'm definitely interested. I definitely can't wait to try this product because I do suffer from dark circles, and because I don't really go to sleep as early as I should and get enough sleep, my eyes, I do look tired, and the puffiness. It comes in this cute little like canvas bag also. I love this. And this is just what it looks like. So I don't know if you guys can see. Probably can't. But yeah. This is small bottle, so I feel like a little goes a long way. Good to you. So it just says to apply a pea-sized amount under eyes, on eyelids, and around orbital bones every morning and evening to look and feel refreshed. Definitely gonna take this on my vacation because, listen, I'm trying to be lit and I already know I'm gonna be waking up with bags. So that is product number 2. Okay, let's go to product number 3. This skin reviving serum with encapsulated collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid delivers an anti-aging power punch, giving you smoother, firmer, and younger looking skin. This product is $65 and it comes in this box. Ooh, it has like stuff inside of this. A cocktail of collagen, okay. 3 directions, 3 drops twice a day before applying moisturizer. I mean, I don't really feel like I need anti-aging products right now. But maybe you should start using anti-aging products before you start aging. Okay, so here is what it looks like. I'm gonna try to put it closer. As you guys can probably see, they have like little things floating inside. Just want to smell it. Doesn't have a scent, so we love that for skincare products. Well, some of us do, you know. So that is product number 3. So far, the 3 products that I received literally cost way more than a box. So yeah. Next we have the Saite. I don't know how to pronounce this brand. Saite London Shadow Flip. This liquid eyeshadow has shade shifting, color flipping pigments. It creates an instant multi-chrome effect on the lids, blending seamlessly into a multi-tonal look in just one simple step. The color appears to change as light reflects off the contours of the eyelid and eye crease. This product is $20. I don't really know how I feel about that. Only just because, like, normally when I do eyeshadow, like, my eyeshadow is for, you know, like, I match my eyeshadow with what my outfit is gonna be. So if this is something that's gonna change in the light, I don't really know, you know, for me, how I would like it. This is what it looks like. It's definitely metallic. Yeah, I mean, this is like, well, first off, this has a very, very strong smell. Like, I don't even really know if I want to put this on my eyes because I'm sensitive to smell, and this smell is like, it smells like chemicals. Yeah, definitely not gonna put that on my eyes. It literally smells like chemicals. Like, I don't really know about that. And last but certainly not least is the Sophia and Maybell Hydrating Hybrid. This Hydrating Hybrid is a lipstick and lip balm in one. We love that because I hate sometimes when you wear lipstick and your lips just be so damn chapped. Ooh, I hate that. It's packed with vitamin E to keep those lips silky smooth, but with the full coverage of a satin finish lipstick. Bring this baby with you anywhere you go and apply when you're in need of a little extra moisture with a subtle pop of color. And this item is $15. Okay, so that's like the last product in this box. So I'm gonna actually try this out because it's lipstick. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna just wipe my lips, I just used this. Okay, so my lip gloss is off my lips. And it's my color. Y'all know I love, like, I have an obsession with nudes. Like, that is my thing. So let me get my mirror. Okay, let's see. I'm not even gonna line my lips, honestly. I just want to see what it looks like. Okay, so far I just put the bottom, I just did my bottom lip. It definitely, you could tell that this is definitely moisturizing. Like, you could tell that it definitely has moisturizer in this because it goes on so smoothly, so smoothly.
Sunrise, I'm on my own time and I can start something new.
Okay. It literally looks like I don't have anything on. This is definitely, like, I would say a perfect nude for me because it definitely matches, like, it's very close to kind of like my lip color. I don't really have like those cute like pinky lips. Clearly when I wear this, I would wear this with lip liner, probably chestnut from MAC, but I can say all in all, I really do like how it applied easily. Like, you know, sometimes with lipsticks, because they're like drying already, you don't really get the smooth application. In this, I was able to like move this around on my lip like it was lip gloss, honestly. And just how it feels on my lips, it definitely just makes my lips feel moisturized. Like, it doesn't give, I like the fact that it still gives like a lipstick finish, you know what I'm saying? But it's still moisturizing. Like, it doesn't make my lips feel like they're dried out. So I definitely like that. If I'm like looking straight, it's because my mirror is that way. Yeah, I actually like that. But all in all, we are at the end of this video. Comment down below if you guys have subscribed to Boxycharm or if you're interested in subscribing. Just, you know, let me know what you think. If you do subscribe and you are getting your May box, comment down below and let me know which products you liked, which products you didn't like. I would just, you know, I love to know those things. But yes, once again, thank you so much to Boxycharm for gifting me these products. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the fam bam and to get me to 1,000 subscribers. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.